Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Mound Omen of Cthulhu game not launching or not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, crashing at startup, black screen, or several other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen first. Now press menu button on controller, then select quit option. Finally, restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to perform power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next method is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cache data. For that, open settings, choose device and connections, click on Blu-ray, select persistent storage, choose clear persistent storage, and now launch the game and check. Next is to clear Xbox cache. For that, open settings, click on system, click on storage, then highlight storage device and press Y button on controller for device options. Under it, select clear system cache. At last, confirm it by pressing yes. Next is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, select settings, choose network settings, click on test network connection. Now wait for some time to complete and then check everything is working fine. Next solution is to check for the Mound Omen of Cthulhu update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating the game, launch it and check. Next solution is to check for Xbox updates. Make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest or not running on outdated version. First, open settings on your Xbox, select system and then select updates. Here, check if any update is available and click on it to begin the updating process. Next method is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next, go to account, click on remove accounts. Here, choose the account to remove, then select remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if everything is working fine. Next is to check storage. For that, press Xbox button, go to profile and system, click on settings, click on system, click on storage. Here, check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space, and after that, launch the game and check. Next is to reinstall the Mound Omen of Cthulhu game. For that, press Xbox button controller, move to my games and apps, select see all option. Here, select the Mound Omen of Cthulhu game, press menu button, select uninstall. After the game is removed, open the Mound Omen of Cthulhu official website and download the game, and then check if everything is working fine. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end, and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.